Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I wanted to share a set of press-on nails that I was sent, and this is a representation of one of my brand ambassadors' work. Her name is Tony. She is the owner of Perfect 10 Nails, and this is her logo right here. And she is one of my brand ambassadors. I had mentioned in a prior video that I did have brand ambassadors. I do have two, and this is the work of one of them. She's located in Fayetteville, Georgia. And if you follow me on our DDF Nails Instagram, then you've probably already have become familiar with her work. I've posted much of her work as well as our other brand ambassador, and she sent me these in the mail. And I was actually getting ready to mount them so I can hang them up, and I just wanted to go ahead and share them. So here's 5 of the nails, and this was the card that it was sent on. As you guys can see, I've already started taking everything apart because, as I stated, I am framing this, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and then what it looks like once it's up on the wall. And I do not plan to wear these. I just feel like they are just way too beautiful to wear, so I didn't want to wear them. But she did incorporate some of our DDF products. This color right here is called Meant to Be, and this one is Jewels. And she used our No Wipe Radiant Shine Top Gel. It was our No Wipe Shine Gel, but I did change the name, so it's now No Wipe Radiant Shine. If you order it on the website, you'll see that. So she did use that, and then she did some art gel. I believe that was Tammy Teller, but you can paint with our gel polishes. So if you wanted to do this with powder puff, you definitely could. And this green right here, I'm not sure what it is. It looks similar to Wesley, but Wesley's a little deeper. She could have just thinned it out and used it, but I'm not sure what that green color is. And then she just did some foiling and some striping tape. So again, this is the first 5 nails. This is the last 5 set of nails. And again, she used those same colors. But do you guys see this right here? She hand drew, all gel, the logo. I absolutely love it. I will insert a picture of what these looked like when I received them on the card. And I did post them on my Instagram. But you guys, I'm hoping and praying that my ring light is not ruining this, okay? But like I stated, I am putting this on a picture frame, and I'm mounting this so I can hang it on a wall. So what I did was, let me show you guys. Let me try to pull out a frame some. This is a frame that I purchased from Walmart, and it is a double-sided frame. This is 2 4x6 sections. So what I did was inserted some marble paper, and then for the outside to mount these nails, I'm using some double-sided foam tape right here. Also, these nails right here are from our other brand ambassador. Her name is Tracy, and she is our other brand ambassador, but I'll do a what's on my nails video. But just in case you guys ask, and she incorporated some DDF products as well. So I'm going to do another video after this one. So to mount this, I am going to go ahead and use this double-sided foam crafting tape. I purchased this from Walmart, and I've already cut it to size so that you don't get anything on it. You take the foam tape off on one side, position it where you want it, and then you go ahead and you just pull it off, okay? So now we have our foam tape, and then you just take your nails, peel them off of the card that Tony provided. And I'm just going to, I like to line mine up first just to make sure that everything is where it needs to be. And then once I'm done, I'll just push everything down. So I'll just take my fingers, push it down, and then it's not going anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'm going to hang it on my wall and my office space, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like in my space. I love it. And again, the Walmart is where I purchased the frame, and then I just did everything else myself. I just added that paper background, cut out my logo on some picture paper, mounted it to that, stuck it inside the frame, and then the other stuff I already showed you guys how to do. I know I'm probably going to get asked what my wall color is. It's a Bear paint, and it's called Green Agate, and I purchased it from Home Depot. And agate is, or agate, A-G-A-T-E, green A-G-A-T-E. That's the name of it. I love it so much. I do have other frames on my wall. This is kind of like a gallery wall. And this painting I actually received from the Elephant Trust that I participate in. You guys know a portion of the proceeds from my line does go towards helping to support orphan elephants. So that'll be another video, but I just wanted to focus on this, and I really love it. You guys know I'm into elegance, so if I was going to display these, I wanted to do it in a proper manner so that I can enjoy them in my workspace. So thank you again. If you guys do not follow her, again, her salon is Perfect 10 Nails in Fayetteville, Georgia. Her name is Tony, and she is P as in Peter 10 Nails, P10 Nails on Instagram. I'll have all of her information linked below. She will be doing an Etsy for press-on nails. She does not currently have it, and she does not have a set date as to when she will be starting it. But if you guys are interested in her work and you can't go to Fayetteville, Georgia, you can most certainly visit her Etsy shop whenever it opens up. I hope this gives you guys some craftspiration, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a greatest day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.